Hi, it's Michael Dooley with Dayton Toyota and Dayton Collision. We would like to update you on additional measures we have taken since my last video to ensure that our customers and our associates are safe during this crisis. We have required face coverings for anyone who's in the building. We have added hands-free faucets in our restrooms. We have added additional benches outside. On Monday, we will be offering an e-payment option or pay over the phone. We also now have a touchless key pickup. We have driveway assistance within 10 miles, which means that we will actually come out, jump start your vehicle, test the battery, change a flat, and at that time, if we need to bring it back to the shop for anything, we can bring it back, fix it, and deliver it back to you. We are also sanitizing every vehicle that we're working on, and in a little while, we're going to show you exactly how we're doing that. This is all in addition to everything that was in my last video. Some of those are the pickup and delivery service within 10 miles that we're doing. 0% for up to 12 months for customers who qualify. We're also still cleaning every 2 hours throughout the whole building, and an overnight deep cleaning. The technicians and the valets are changing their gloves after every vehicle that they work on or they move. Why don't you come with me while we go take a look at the sanitizing of the vehicles. So the product we're using to sanitize the interiors of these vehicles is called Fresh Start. This product lasts up to 30 days with antimicrobial protection. It not only does it sanitize by eliminating 99.9% of odor-causing germs and microbes, it also shields for that up to 30 days to resist the harmful germs, bacteria, and viruses. It also stops mold and mildew buildup. Let's show you quickly how we're actually spraying these vehicles. If the e-payment or pay-by-phone option doesn't work for you and you need to see our cashier, let me show you how we are keeping you and our associates safe. We've installed these plexiglass shields that actually keep you separated from our associates. A change we made since the last video is we've actually moved our waiting area to the right side of the drive to be able to set up these barriers for social distancing. Earlier I was talking about the touchless key pickup, which we've added this table that the customer can leave paperwork, keys, or anything else that they need for the advisor to come and get. The advisor can get the stuff and then drop it back off so that there is truly touchless pickup. We continue to be open 6 days a week. You can reach us by phone, email, or at our websites, DaytonToyota.com or DaytonCollisionRepair.com. From all of us at Dayton Toyota and Dayton Collision, we'd like to thank you for your loyalty. Please be safe.